guys, welcome to Unbox Tech Traveler, and this is your host Arjun, and I'm super duper very much excited about this product as this has been a lifesaver for me. Yes, it has been a lifesaver for me. This product is a helmet accessory. Yes guys, it's a helmet accessory from the company called ARMOUR, and the product is called Blue Snap. And without any further delay, let's dive into the unboxing of this wonderful product that I'm really happy using it for so long. So guys, as you can see, this is the Blue Snap from ARMOUR, and you can pick the product up from the website as well. I will share the links below, and without any further delay, let's see what's inside the packaging. Yes, this is already an unboxed unit. I have reboxed it so that I can do another unboxing. So it'll come with a patch here that is going to be the seal of authenticity. And before that, here's a look around the box. Yes, the features are Go Snap on Go. Snap and Go is the feature, and it's a personalized cooling unit. It has a long battery. Yes guys, that is no ifs about it. It's beautiful and it's long lasting. Easy and replaceable cooling filter, and any traffic condition, you are going to love it to ride. The summer is not a challenge anymore. And it's a water-based cooling unit guys, so you'll have to fill water. Yes, and these are the following stylish strap-ons you get, that you can fasten it with your helmet. This being a graffiti, space dust, and polygon play, and a cool flow, and a vortex. So this is the product, and on the other side it's the patent is pending guys, and it is set to reduce 6 to 15 degrees temperature than your outside temperature. And this is what is the contents. It comes with one elastic band. Like I said, anything you guys choose will be shipped across, and it comes with an elastic band and the cooling unit itself. So it is engineered and developed by. Without any further delay, let's get into the box. So as we open the box and remove we have two stickers. Let's put this aside. This is the filter guys. This is the filter. It's nice and simple and pretty durable as well. So this is the Blue Snap unit itself with the vortex. Sorry, this is a cool flow that I'm having here, and this is how it comes with. On the inside, it comes with this gel liners that does not let the helmet slip down. So, and this Velcro is an attachment. Again, I will explain it in the process. And yeah, I forgot to show you guys this as well. Yes, you get another 2 patches of Velcro. So the point of this Velcro, I will explain it once I snap it onto the helmet, and I'll show you guys how it looks. So yeah, this is a helmet, and this is how the internals look. It is just a rubber thing that is covering the entire unit. And yes, I do have a spare filter. I did order with my product, and so this is the power on off switch, and there's a nice blue ARMOUR sort of a design here. I don't know whether it's noticeable, but once you pick up the product, it'll be noticeable, not to worry. And this is the filter that I'm currently using. Look at this, guys. And I have washed this filter once, and just to snap this on, you have these slider sort of edges here, so you just slide them on the other way. So you just slide them and they stay locked there unless you pull them down. So do that on either sides, and mounting this is child's play. This is something like you put this back and you give it a firm press around, okay, and use this and put it like this down. And the most important thing is you guys shouldn't be wearing a chin strap. You cannot wear a chin strap when you're using this. So all you have to do is put this like this and give it a nice pull, and yeah, so it sits firm, and this is how it works. And remember guys, I told you about the Velcro. I will talk about it later. So here's the Velcro. So basically what happens is, as my helmet is, I wear an XL, so it's a big helmet. So all I have to do is I have to paste these onto my helmet, and when I paste these onto my helmet, they would just stick like this, and there wouldn't be any movement at that point of time because it is stuck there. So I'll do that later. Right now, and that's it. So as soon as you power this on, there's a blue light that lights up, and you have to turn this. There's a nozzle beneath. You will have to turn this. So you turn this, and it's sort of perfect. You can close the visor and you can happily ride. This is perfect. So yeah, this is perfect. And I'd like to remind you guys, I did end up at the center and met Mr. PK. Mr. PK is a very inspiring person. He's put a lot of thought into designing this, and this is the product that is firstly come into the market. So I can expect a few more developments, and here's a video showing Mr. PK and on how he's worked on developing the product.
This is the cooler moved to the front, right? And actually this comes with Bluetooth, it comes with an intercom, it comes with a voice assistant. So it's it has a fair bit of heavy electronics inside, right? So our thinking is we'll build this and then we'll start to build different variants as we go along.
Like the AR Scully types.
Something like that, right? Maybe Scully is too big an aspiration, but we'll go step by step.
Yes.
So once we built this, we said, okay, this is maybe too much of a barrier to entry because guys are specific about helmet brands. There's a whole safety angle. So why don't we just start with this piece where we give it as an add-on.
Add-on.
Right, so we, in fact, we did it the other way. We built the integrated helmet, and then we said, okay, from the integrated helmet, maybe we start with the add-on, and then work our way back up, right? So then we got to this, we did some jugaad, and then we got to this unit. This is one of the first versions of the product, right? First version of the product, first version of the packaging, and then we got to the actual production unit.
Excellent, sir. Appreciate the work that has got into it. And
guys, there is an anti-fogging feature, but let's try riding it in the rain. So far so good. Thank you for all the patience that you guys have waited and seen this. I did say that the defogging feature works, but it doesn't in heavy rains, even though I have topped my reservoir full. So let me have a word with Mr. PK, giving him the inputs about what I have been experiencing, and let's see if my unit is faulty. So you never know, it happens. These are electronics. So let's see how it goes, and let's hope for the best of all. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to Unbox Tech Traveler. And before you go, there is one more surprise. I would love to leave a link below, and there is a code for me from Blue Armour. It is UTT250. So you're gonna get a discount of 250 rupees on your purchase, and when you're checking out, so 250, use the code when there is a code option, and you will be getting an instant discount. And that's all for this video guys. See you in the next one, and stay cool and stay happy and keep riding.